This is the most popular binary search question in top tech companies. So given an array of integers, return the index of the peak element. Let's first go over the definition of a peak element. So a peak element is elements that's greater than its neighbors. We can assume that the elements that's outside the array to be negative infinity. That means any elements inside the array is going to be greater than the neighbors that's outside of the array. Let's say we're given this example, we have the element 6 that's greater than its neighbors, we can return its index 5. Now, if there are multiple peaks, we can return the index of any of the peaks. Let's first go over the brute force approach. We can perform a single scan through the input array. If our current element is greater than its neighbors, we have found a peak. Now let's look for a more optimized approach. Let's say we're currently at element 3 and we compare it with the element 5. Since 3 is less than 5, the peak must be on the right side. We can continue our search in the right subarray. Let's say we are at element 7, which is greater than its neighbor 5. That means the peak must be on the left side. We can continue our search in the left subarray. Since we are reducing the search area by half each time, we can implement binary search. Let's implement the function find peak elements taking the input array, create our left and right boundary. While left is less than right, calculate mid. If our current elements is greater than the elements to the right, continue our search leftward with the current elements inclusive, else search rightward, then we can return left.